And to help me get those bolts off, I thought, fuck 'em. I'm excited. Am I excited? I think I'm excited. I'm gonna be excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go to Speedy. Do it. Everywhere. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't guessed already, we are back working on Project Golf GT. Needed my sunglasses on. Back working on Project Golf GT. And we'll be picking up where we left off in the last episode, which is after the alignment on the way home. Remember, I still had a little bit of a sort of weird knock and a wobble, which led me to believe that the old CV front right axle needs to be changed out. Now apparently it's all rather straightforward, if you've got the right tools, that is, which means I needed to get myself one of these and one of these. These are, hang on, 1, 2, 3, hang on, no, 1. Okay, so this is a 12 point, I believe they call it a tri-square thing. Then it's 24 millimeters. You need one of them. You also need a, hang on a minute. 1, 2, now that is a 10 mil. I guess that's the male one, and yeah, this one is the like the female version. And to help me get those bolts off, I thought, fuck 'em. I'd fuck 'em off. As in, fuck 'em. The make, the tool make. No, don't swear. Been brought up better than that. This is, well, it's a shock key, or clear shock as we say in France, but I guess you call it a impact wrench. Had to read the box. It's just one of these compact ones, but apparently, yeah, although it's compact, pushes out 1,600 Newton meters. Oh. That's pretty awesome, and I like the fact that it's compact, so you can sort of maybe you're working under the car or whatever. You haven't got, yeah, you know what I mean. I don't know about that end one. Apparently that might need a real good sort of torque bar to get that thing off. But we'll put this into the test anyway. Fuck 'em. That's what I think sometimes when I get them hate comments. Fuck 'em. Let's just get to work. Let's get the old beats on. And yeah, let's get this old axle joint out and do some investigating. Let's do it. I know, confused, right? That's pretty much been the story of my week. Talk about a twist in the tail, you could say. Let me explain. So yeah, I've put the front axle back on. Why? Because when I took it off, well, the first thing I noticed was that, yeah, this new one that I got was definitely not the right one. This looks like it's off a truck in comparison to the one that came off that car. But anyway, more to the point, the original one, there didn't seem to be any problem with it. I was obviously giving it a wiggle, turning it, and I was thinking, there's nothing wrong with it. What's going on? And the boys at VW, they're like, well, no, we agreed. I don't think that's your problem. Plus a new one, 700 quid. So I think you better maybe go back and have a look again. 700 quid? Yeah, I think I better. Yeah, good idea. Rack your brains, rack your brains. And there was a comment from a viewer that said, well, what about, have you balanced the wheels? And I responded, well, yeah, I have done, yeah. And the more I sort of simmered on that comment, I think the following day, I was like, actually, there is one wheel that I haven't. Because, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, the only tyre wheel not to come off the car is this front left wheel, because nothing happened to this side of the car. That wheel didn't get hit, no suspension components issues, nothing, even from the front bumper all the way back, all that side of the car pucker, no issues. But then I was actually watching Formula 1, and the car's coming in for the turn, and they slam on the brakes, loads of smoke, and then the commentator's like, let's hope he's not done a little flat spot on that tyre. Ping! So I come running out, jack up the car. Of course, nothing had to have hit this. Nothing had to have hit that wheel. You're going in to hit something, whatever this car was going to hit, slam on the brakes, smoke, flat spot. Jack the car up. But there is all the rubber, obviously, that's broken a bit more in that area. And it's a bit more obvious here when you follow this line here. You see that area there? It's a flat spot on the tyre. Appointments later on this afternoon at 2 o'clock. I don't think I've been more excited to change two front tyres or two tyres in my life. I just, fingers crossed, I hope it's that. I'm excited. Am I excited? I think I'm excited. I'm going to be excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go to Speedy. Do it.
Got the control on the cap control. Caskets closed. Money cash hold. Type of facts of those. Separate toes. Hold. Press fast forward.
So I'm at Speedy. Time to let them do their thing. Put the Pirelli bad boys on. And yeah, fingers crossed, next time you see me, we'll have some good news. Fingers crossed, and do it. Right, so the boys are done. Right. Okay. Right. Moment of truth, fire up. Let's go. Yeah. looking at that tyre when it came off, I was definitely thinking, yeah, that that would be enough to create a bit of a wobble. Right, stereo off. Right, here we go. Yes! Yes! Oh, I'm pleased! Happy face, really? Oh, let's just be sure about this. We're good. This is silky smooth now. 200 euros! 200 euros later, 2 new Pirelli tyres. Done me a bit of a deal in the end. But yeah, all mounted, all balanced, all fitted. So yeah, wow, happy days. Really happy, really. This is good, this is really good. I'm not driving straight home, that's for sure. Time to drive this everywhere. Yeah, boy. I can finally enjoy my first GTI. Let's get some beats on. Happy face, definitely, wow. Well, if you can't tell already, it's been 3 days since I've basically been able to drive that car to its, I guess, capability, and I'm absolutely loving it. It does so many things so well. I've waited so many years to have my GTI, and yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. And because I'm enjoying it so much, I'm certainly not going to be parting with it anytime soon. So plenty more to come with the GTI on Wimpy Brothers. Starting off with a full price reveal video of what it costs to get it back to looking at OEM from obviously how it looked previously. Yeah, is it now the cheapest Golf or new GTI Mark 7.5 in the world? Speaking of cheap cars, right, bit of news for you. I've decided to do a vlog. So I made the decision between certain rebuild episodes. I find obviously to fill the gap, I figured I'd do a vlog. Because normally I'm working with cars all the time anyway. I'm picking up cars in Europe, trying to sell them on, make some money. So I figured I'd share the experience with you guys. I've already filmed the first few episodes of the vlog. We're going on a road trip in Italy. Here's what you can expect. What's just the cheapest car? Please can you get me home, please? All I can say just from my reaction to it now is definitely, like I say, the definition of a car, it just about gets over the line. I just got the, which I think is Italian for fuck off. First checkpoint for my €1 car, the Lamborghini factory. Yeah, boy, I do it. It's the Centenario. Wow. Right. Time to get back in the furnace. Like a wince, like she's like composure. Right. Shame I'm not in one of those Lamborghini Centinato per i caricatati.
What the hell is that noise? I don't like it.
Yeah, it was €1. What are you chatting for?
Cheapest car in Europe.
So guys, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're not going to miss out.
Do it.
I need all the support I can get. Please hit that subscribe.
Lay it out right here. Do it.
But as always guys, I've been Wimpy. You've been awesome for watching. And I guess I'll see you. Hope I see you in the vlog. Alright? Laters.